A data structure is a set of domains D, a set of functions F, and a set of axioms A. This is a triple DFA denotes the data structure of D. Type of data structure. The data structure can be divided into two types. There are two types. There are one primitive data structure, two non-primitive data structure. Data structure. Primitive data structure. Example: int, char, float. Non-primitive data structure. Two. Two types. Line, Linear data structure. Example: lists, stocks, QoS. Non-linear data structure. Example: trees, graphs. 1. Premium data structure. A premium data structure are the data structure which is used to store data value. These are the basic data type of used to in the program language. Example: int, char, float, double, etc. Non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure again classified into two types. There are 1. Linear data structure, 2. Non-linear data structure. 1. Linear data structure. Linear data structure are the data structure in which data arranged in a list are in straight sequence or in sequential from. Example: arrays, linked list, stock, QNC. Second, non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure are the data structure in which data may be arranged in hierarchical order. Example: trees, graphs, table. File organization. File structure. File organization is a mechanism of a physical arranging the records of a files into a secondary storage device. There are types of files or arranging methods. There are 1. Sequential file organization, 2. Relative file organization, 3. Index SQL file organization. 1. Sequential file organization. A sequential file organization stored records in the records in which they are entered. Record 0, record 1, and so on. Record I plus 1. Record n minus 1 to n minus 1. Thus, the first record that is entered is right as which record in the file. The second record entered is written as a record as a second record in the file, and so on. As a result, new records are added only at the end of the file. 2. Relative file organization. Relative file organization provides an effective way to directly access individual records. In these files, the records in a file are recorded by their relative key. Thus, the record number represents the location of the record relative to the beginning of the file. The records are number of from 0 to n minus 1, where n is the number of records in the file. The records in a relative file are of fixed length. Relative records number. L is the number of records in the file. The records in a relative file are of fixed length. Relative records numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, 98, 99. Records stored in memory. Record 0, record 1, free, record 4, unsound, record 198, and record 99. IndexQL file organization. IndexQL file organization store data for fast retrieval. Record number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Address of the record 70 6525 86 742 null. The records in an index sequential file are the fixed length, and every record is unequally identified by primary key file. We mean it's we maintain a table known as an index table to store the record number and the address of each record in the file. Every file has an index table. This type of file organization is called in index sequential file organization because physically the record may be stored anywhere, but the address of the thus record are the stored in the index file. Array and linked representation. A list of items can be given one variable names using only one subscript, and such variable is called single subscript variable are known are one dimensional array. Sign data type array name size function size is example into a function 5 size is intelligence of an array. The functional step to put value into the array created thus. This process is known as intelligence. Array name subscript equal value is it. Example array function 0 equal to 10 is it. Array function 1 equal to 20 is it. We can also initialize the array automatically in the same way as the ordinary variable. When they are declared as so below. Sign data dash type array dash name function equal to function of list of value is it. Example into array function equal to function 10 20 30 40 50 is it. Linked representation. A linked list is a set of nodes where each node has two files data understood. Next, the data files store information and linked files used to point to next node. Class node flower bracket into data is it. Node next is it flower bracket header data down next pointers. Thank you for watching.